Hello guys, today we are going to discuss about how to create the roles and responsibilities of a user. Why we are doing this? As a Splunk admin, you have to create a roles and responsibilities, right? For example, if a new employee was there, you have to create a username and password for him and also roles and responsibilities. So that's why we are doing this. Go to settings, click on users. Okay, here you can see the analyst 1 data Kumunori Sahan and showing 4 users. Okay, I have to create new user. Just click on it and give name. Here I am giving name as Renu. Okay, full name. Okay, email address is optional. Set the password here. Okay, in here select the time zone, select the IST, and this is the Chennai, Kolkata, Mumbai, New Delhi. Here what type of app he can access. Here I am giving him as search and reporting. He can open the search and reporting, search in the query and raise an alert and report it. So what type of roles can I assign to him? Admin can delete power and role and these roles. So I am doing just here as a power and admin. He can delete or edit or he can add anything else as an admin role can do. Okay, create role for this user. Just click on user, just click on it. Yeah, just now you are created a role as a Reno. Okay, let's create a role for it. Go to settings, click on roles. Here you can see so many names. What type of name we created? User Reno. Click on it. Okay, let's see what type of role we can give him. Give her. Admin can delete or power. Okay, let's see whatever it is you can give. Just in here capabilities. What type of capabilities she inherited? Okay, these type of capabilities she inherited. Okay, license edit, installing apps. Okay, let's see what happened here. If I unselect the admin and click on capabilities, here you can see only some of the capabilities she inherited. If I click on admin here, let's see what capabilities she inherited. Okay, a lot she can do. Click on indexes, select all indexes. Here you can restrict an indexes for her. Okay, for example, if you want to restrict index like this, she is not able to get these searches in the search and reporting tab. If you click on save role, I acknowledge. Yeah, role user Renu has successfully updated. This is how the user role and responsibilities will be added as a SOC admin. Okay, now how she accesses it. For example, I am doing in my Windows. I downloaded Splunk Enterprise in my Windows. For example, I want to hire an employee with me. How does he access it? For example, if he want to access or if he needs to access over the internet, he needs to the same network, right? For example, you and your employees are in the same network. It is easy to access this Splunk. because we deploy the server in this IP address. If anyone in the same network type this in their browser, this IP address, they able to get the Splunk, and they started their work. When, as you know, username and password we given for them, they just need to give the username and password and click on enter, boom, they in. That's why we are under the same network. So my friend was in another city or another place, and she needs to access that. How? Without cloud environment we cannot do. No, we can do this like using the same VPN. For example, I'm here using the Proton VPN. If she or he was able to get this VPN, when I click on connect, it was initializing the Netherlands VPN. Okay, here you can see when I click the IP config here, IP config, you can able to see the information like unknown adapter Proton VPN. What is the address here? This is the address. When I copy this address and try to access here, okay, 10.2.0.2, okay, what is the port number, and click on enter. You are able to get this thing, and you are also able to like what is the username, Reno, and what is her password. Okay, click on enter. For security reasons, the admin on this account has requested change the password. This is how you can and your employees can access it. So using the VPN can also could be great, but cloud will be more accessible. For example, if you are using the VPN, if some attacker is able to see or get your IP publicly, so it will be very dangerous. And also he can able to get your details and password, username, whatever, all the things. So this is how the roles and responsibilities were created, and a user can access it through the cloud. If you like this video, like, share and subscribe.